Flower plant garden at home. Creating a flower plant garden at home is one of the simplest yet most rewarding ways to bring nature closer to daily life. A home garden filled with blooms offers color, fragrance, and peace, turning ordinary spaces into personal sanctuaries. Whether large or small, every home garden tells a story about the person who tends it. The journey begins with choosing a space. It might be a front yard that welcomes visitors with color, a backyard retreat where you relax, or even a balcony filled with pots and hanging baskets. The beauty of home gardening is that it can adapt to any size or style. What matters most is the intention to nurture and create. Selecting flowers for a home garden depends on both taste and practicality. Some people love bright, cheerful flowers like sunflowers, marigolds, and petunias. Others prefer elegant roses, calming lavender, or tropical hibiscus. Native plants often thrive best because they are already suited to local soil and weather, requiring less care while still offering stunning displays. Planning for variety brings balance. Annuals provide long seasons of blooms, perennials return year after year, and bulbs add bursts of color during specific times like spring. Climbing flowers can add vertical beauty along walls or fences, while ground cover flowers create soft carpets of green and blossoms. Mixing different types ensures that the garden always has something new to offer. Designing a flower garden is also about creating flow and harmony. Tall flowers can be planted at the back, shorter ones in the front, with colors arranged to complement each other. Paths or small seating areas can be added to invite people into the space, making it not just a garden but a living experience. Caring for a home flower garden is part of the joy. Watering, pruning, fertilizing, and watching over plants builds a rhythm that connects the gardener to nature. Problems like pests or diseases may arise, but solving them teaches patience and knowledge. Every bloom that opens feels like a small reward for the time and care given. Flowers in the home garden do more than please the eye. They attract butterflies, bees, and birds, filling the air with movement and sound. They bring fragrance that drifts through open windows. They create a mood of calm, helping people feel relaxed after long days. For families, gardens often become spaces where memories are made, children picking flowers, parents sharing quiet moments, guests enjoying the colors. Even the smallest garden has value. A single pot with a blooming geranium on a windowsill can brighten a room. A row of marigolds by the doorway can welcome every guest with cheer. The act of planting, nurturing, and watching flowers grow adds meaning to daily life. Ultimately, a flower plant garden at home is not just about the plants, it is about creating a personal world of beauty and peace. It reminds us to slow down, notice small details, and appreciate the cycles of nature. Each blossom is a gift, and the garden itself becomes a reflection of love and care.